Listen up. It's time for some real talk about forklifts. Think you know everything there is to know about propane for material handling? Think again. It's a fact of the job. Eventually those forklifts will need refueling. A lot of people think since there's no fuel involved with electric forklifts that they must save major time, right? Sure, if you think a few hours to recharge a single battery saves time. If you really want to keep productivity high, switch to propane. Refueling with propane is a simple, completely safe process. All you do is remove the empty cylinder from the forklift, securely attach the full one, and get back to work. Propane gives you time-saving options for refueling cylinders. You can ask your propane supplier about convenient cylinder exchange, where the supplier swaps out empty cylinders for full ones, or even have your own on-site refueling setup. No matter which option is right for you, your crew will never be caught waiting for the power they need to finish the job strong. Does less downtime sound like something your warehouse could use? Propane can do that.